Alright, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. This is kind of going to be a follow-up video to a video I made a couple of months ago regarding how loud my A3 actually is, because I've never actually filmed any outside or inside driving content of the Audi since I installed my downpipe. And since everyone has been absolutely blowing that video out of the water for standards for how many views my content gets right now, we're gonna make a follow-up to that video because it seems to be that a lot of you guys are here to see that. And so since we have so many views on that video and not as many subscribers, I know some of you aren't subscribed, so if you are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I got lots more content on the way. I actually have to do a DSG service on the A3 pretty quick here because we're due for that. And then we've got some very interesting power modifications coming to the car very soon. So hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this with your friends, and I've actually installed a decibel meter on my phone for however accurate that's going to be, but just to get a representation of how loud the A3 actually is. And it's been sitting outside overnight, so we're gonna open up the garage here and we're gonna get some cold start and see just how loud the A3 actually is. So one thing I want to talk about with the A3 as far as exhaust modifications go, it does have a 3-inch HPA high flow cat downpipe, so it's a 100 cell high flow cat, and then the rest of it is a 2.5-inch straight pipe, so it has no mufflers or anything like that. So as I got ready to start tuning the car, I actually went out and I bought a MagnaFlow straight through because it was and still is a little bit too loud for my liking just to daily drive. And since I live in Vancouver, we do have an issue with the Vancouver Police Department where they are not very fond of how loud and how modified any cars are. Traffic enforcement goes after people and gives them a lot of shit, and I could talk about that in another video if anyone's interested, because I know there is a lot of misconception with what actually goes on. It's kind of the same thing with the California exhaust law that got repealed a little bit ago, but basically same idea. So anyways, yeah, let's go set the camera up behind the A3 and let's see how loud this guy is. So just to kind of show you guys what app I'm actually using, this is called Decibel X. Kind of shows you how loud anything is. So right now we're sitting at about 48 decibels, just kind of like sitting here. Yeah, normal conversation amount of noise. So we can actually pause it and then that'll show the peaks and everything. I'm not quite sure how this all works, but I can go to, yeah, so it's got the average and then it's got the max. So we can go ahead and we should be able to reset it. Okay, and it'll go to 0. Let's go set this up behind the car. So I'm about 3 feet, I would say, away from the tailpipe on the Audi, and I'm gonna set the camera up right here, and then I'm gonna try and set my phone up right next to it. So just kind of idling in the car here, it's not very loud. 67 decibels. Give it a little bit of gas. This is with the window down too. I don't have my my window mount actually anymore. I don't know where I left it. So we'll quickly go for a little bit of a cruise around the neighborhood. I'm actually gonna pause this. I'm gonna reset it, but there was the max for the revving, 117, pretty loud. Reset that guy. I'm gonna mount this up on my dash, so it's up there on a mount. I'm gonna hit play. Go for a drive with the window down. don't know if you can hear any of the backfiring, but it does backfire quite a bit. I do want to get some outside drive-bys of just how loud this thing is on the outside, because the inside doesn't really do it justice. Like the loudest we got it there was 92.2 decibels inside with the windows like halfway down. So it's pretty loud, but I mean on the inside it does not do it justice. So we're gonna find a road here where I can set the camera down and fly past it a couple times here. Yeah, so needless to say, it's pretty loud. I do enjoy it quite a bit though. Alright, so that is it for today's video. Just a little quick and easy one. Just wanted to get something out there for you guys to watch while we have this little period between mods on the A3 and possibly a new project on the way soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you're new, like I said, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Gives me motivation to keep making videos for you guys. And don't forget to like this video. Drop some comments if you have some questions about the A3 or you want to see some specific stuff. Get done to the A3. I can do that as well because I'm open to basically much anything at this point. So anyways, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good rest of your day and peace out.